Hey guys, welcome back to the development of the cult. It's been a while since I've created one of these development vlogs. I had a bit of a problem after I released my second video. I hit a bit of a wall with creating new features and it kind of demotivated me to work on the game. But as you can see, I'm back at it again and there's just so much from the last video that a lot of this is going to be like, okay, yeah, he's done a lot. I'm basically still in that same test level, but I've added a terrain, cars, a caravan. You saw an NPC there. We have a working inventory now, which is perfect. You can press tab and see what you've got inside. You can click on like objects, and they'll actually like go in your inventory. I've been working on making new sounds, and there you can see the NPC I've made. Pretty pleased with him. His code name is basically just Baghead at this point. I don't know what I'll use him for, but I'm pretty pleased with him. I made a nice table and a medicine bottle, which is going to be used for like as an item later on to be able to heal the player. And yeah, everything's just been going really well, to be honest. At the beginning, you saw the kind of NPC walking around. I've been testing kind of just simple AI. In my previous game, I used an AI that was constantly walking around the entire level. And while I thought this was nice, because it gave the player the feeling that there's always a threat and you always have to kind of watch out. From a lot of the Let's Plays I saw people playing it, it kind of felt not unfair, but I felt like the way I programmed it to go to a random position each time was a bit didn't always work out to the best of the ability that it could be. So I'm going to try and take a more scripted approach to the AI and less sandboxy, if that makes sense. There's going to be some elements where it will feel like he's always around, but it's something I'm going to have to think about in the future. So, to go through a list of the things that I kind of worked on since the last development vlog, the character controller is completely done. You have your inventory, no problems with moving around, no bugs. It's honestly done now, I think. I've added a ton of new props, the car, caravan, and loads of other stuff that's not even in this scene. There's the enemy NPC who I'm still kind of prototyping. I added normal mapping to some of my textures as well. You might have seen on the caravan it looked quite crusty. I want to really bring out depth from my textures, and I think doing this is going to allow me to kind of add that extra detail without the cost of performance, which is really good. I'm really pleased with how it's all looking so far. Another thing I've been working on is music. You heard at the beginning of this video that sort of ambient drone tone. I'm really pleased with that. I basically just edited a sound that I found online and I got that from it, and I'm really pleased with it because I'm actually thinking of using it in the main menu. I'll play a quick snippet of what that sounds like right now. So, what do you guys think? I personally feel that it's really kind of good ambience from that main menu. I was honestly just testing around with the normal mapping. Like, if you look at the tiles, I was just making a scene with these tiles and put some normal map on them to like see how well they popped. And I was like, oh, that makes a pretty spooky scene. So I was like, why don't I make a main menu from this? I'm not going to work too much on that because it's honestly something that I'll do at the end of kind of development. Definitely not a priority right now, but I just thought it'd be cool to show you guys what else I've been working on. So yeah, I think that wraps up this episode. In the next one, you'll most likely see me doing a bit of level design because at this point in terms of development, we have most of the core features of the game. So it's actually time to start building the actual game. So I'm really excited for that, and I hope you guys will join me for that journey. If you like this video, then please like and maybe subscribe. And yeah, bye bye.